Alright guys, so in today's video, I'm going to be discussing the Cub Cadet 128. This is going to be a basic operation video. So the first thing I always like to do before I use it is I come over here. Right there's the oil dipstick. You get a rag, right? Pull the dipstick. Check the oil level. It's between, there's an add and full mark. Obviously full is full. If it's below the add mark, you need to add oil. It should be somewhere in the range between the add and full. So this is good. Next thing you should always do before you use it, just go around, check your tires, right? Make sure you're supposed to check them with a gauge. Not every time you use it, but good habit. I normally check everything once a month, and it seems to be good. Just make sure there's no visible leaks. All my tires hold air good, so we should be good. So now let's get into the actual operation of the tractor. The first thing you're gonna have to do, underneath here, there's a little valve. With the valve the whole way up, the fuel is off. So before you run it, you gotta turn the valve, I guess it would be clockwise, to open it up. See how the valve's the whole way down now? Now there's gas getting to the carburetor. So now, as a basic overview of the tractor, this is your clutch and brake. You push this down when you're gonna change gears, you're good to go. This lever right here is how you turn the mower deck on and off. You push the button, you set it down, the mower deck's on, you pull it up, the mower deck's off. This right here is your gear selector. All the way to the left and down is reverse, middle neutral, all the way to the left and up is first. All the way to the right and down is second, the whole way to the right and up is third. This lever right here is how you adjust the height of the mower deck. You push the button, you set the lever down, the mower deck goes down. You push the button, you put the lever up, the mower deck comes up. Right here, this is the throttle. The further up you push it, the faster the motor runs. Right here's the choke. So when it's cold, you pull the choke out, you turn the key till it starts. Once it starts, you push the choke back in. I'll demonstrate that here momentarily, because it's like 30 degrees outside, it's freezing. But anyways, that's the basic overview. Right here is how you adjust how low the mower deck goes. You loosen this, you set this at the height you want the mower deck, and you tighten it. You could tell the person before me was feeling a little creative in the fact that they kind of drew where it's supposed to go for them. I did not do that. Previous owner did, but it's okay. I mean, I guess that's what you get when you have a tractor from 1972, right? It's gonna have its quirks. Now another thing, to open the hood, there's a hood release. You lift up on this little tab, you kind of pull it out and set it down. Same thing on the other side. There's one right here. Lift up, out to the side, and down. Now to open the hood from this point, you just lift up. Tell they wrote the oil there as well, which kind of bothers me a little bit, but we'll try Goo Gone, see if we can get that off maybe. But this tractor is completely original as far as I'm aware. I love it. I don't use it all that much just because it's not really efficient for what I need, and just because it's in great original condition, I try not to use it all that much. But now, onto the operation. I get on here. Okay, so to start it, push the brake down. There's a little lever right here. This is your parking brake. Push the lever the whole way down, and you pull this up till it hits this little metal tab, and you let off, and the brake will stay on. So now, you just give it a little bit of throttle. I never started on full throttle, I just a little bit above idle. Pull the choke out. The key is right here. That's run, you hold it to start. So as soon as it starts, I'm gonna push the choke in. So now, it should go. Now we're running. In order to move, push the brake down, you push this tab down, that pedal slowly, and now you're moving. Now if you want to go faster, push the pedal down the whole way to the floor so you stop. Go to the right and down, now you're in second. Now you're going a little bit faster. Push the pedal down, go the whole way to the right and up, now you're in third, you're going even faster. Now as far as the mower deck is concerned, I always engage my mower deck just a little bit above idle because these PTOs on these are expensive. So in order to try to save the life of it, I never engage it at full throttle. Engage it at idle, push the button in, slowly, now throttle up. And that's how I engage the mower deck. You don't have to do it that way. You can engage it at full throttle. I normally don't though, just to try to save the life of the PTO like I said. But in order to stop, push the brake the whole way down, put it in neutral, set the parking brake lever, put the idle down, and turn the key off. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is a demonstration of my 1972 International Cub Cadet 128.